Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete text messages and conversation in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to delete your text messages or your conversations, let's see how to do that. You just have to simply open your messages app, and once you are in your messages app, you have to select the conversation or the message you want to delete. So let's say I'm going to delete this conversation from here. Just click a long press on it, and here you must see the delete option. Click on it and then click on move to pin. Now once I have selected, it will be moved to pin or your tag pin. You just have to click on your profile icon here, and here you will see pin. You can easily restore it from here. You can also permanently delete it from here. Or if you want to delete a single message, just open the chat, and in chat just select the message you want to delete. So for example, I'm gonna delete this one. People long press on it, and here you will see the delete option. Click on it and then click on delete. So the message will be deleted. So the difference is that if you delete a conversation, it will be moved into pen, or if you delete a message, it will not move to any pen. It will permanently delete it. So in this way, you can easily delete any chat or conversation in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.